Hi guys, this is my second YouTube product review, and today I'm going to be doing the Allegiant SR200 mini soundbar. Alright, now this is a wired soundbar. It does not have Bluetooth. Alright, so what you get is you get a USB power cord. There's no electrical cord to plug in. You get a speaker jack and a micro jack. Alright. And the amount of power you get, or rather the amount of volume you get, depends on the power you got going into it. Because at first I hooked it up to my monitor, which puts out very little power, and I didn't get much volume. So then I hooked it up to my desktop, and it blew me away. So okay, let's turn it on and see what it looks like. Okay. You got lights there, alright. You got a headphone jack here, a microphone jack here, and I don't use the lights, and there's a button right behind it here to turn it off. And what else you can do with this, I found out was pretty cool, is take a guitar jack, plug the headphone jack into it, plug it into your guitar, and bingo, you got a mini guitar amp. Okay, now alright, let's hear what it sounds like, alright? Just give me a second here. Oh, and my camera only holds so much volume, so if you don't hear the volume going up, believe me, it's going up.
My girl baby sits for someone on her block. Then I come up to join her and we start to rock. The baby hears the beating, man, it is a shock when he goes. A rockin' type of boogie is a kind of song that makes this little baby wanna sing along. And though he maybe gets the tune a little wrong, he still goes. He isn't too young to be.
Okay, so that's about it. I think this thing is really cool. I also hooked it up to my DVD player, which I got hooked up to my computer because DVD drives don't put out 1080p. So, if you liked the video, let me know. If you didn't like the video, let me know. But once again, this is a great little soundbar, and for 30 bucks, I'd recommend it to everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.